The detention is nothing but a temporary holding tank that makes us feel like we did something, we kind of punished you, you were after school for talking. And then we have them sit there and do work or write sentences, I will not talk 300 times or whatever, and they get that done. They're doing time, and then they leave. And we expect through some sort of miraculous skill-building osmosis that you're going to come back to school the next day and you have learned through that practice what your behavior was and how to control it. So if we're going to give detentions, for one thing, we better be the one, if you're teaching older kids or even younger kids, that you detain, and it can be a lunch detention, it can be 5 minutes. I never keep kids in for a whole recess, but I'll tell you something, if you disrupt my classroom a bunch of times, I'm holding you for 5 minutes before you go out, and I say, hey, listen, we're gonna talk for 5 before you go out, and we're gonna have a conversation about that, and then I'm gonna set some goals for you, and then I'm gonna send you out. I might even say to you, now before you go outside, just let me know that you can do these 2 math problems. Just show me, because I wasn't sure if you got the lesson. So get these 2 math problems done, and then you gotta get outside and play. That kid bangs off those 2 math problems, they go outside and play. If I say to you, you're in for recess because you were talking, they're in for recess, they're sitting quietly while I'm correcting papers or whatever, it's not doing anything for them. That 5 minutes where I have that conversation about the cause and effect of your behavior, show me that you know how to do these 2 problems. All right, you know what, you got this, you got this. Let's work on this. And then I send you out to play. That kid now looks at that and goes, wait a second, okay, this person isn't like just keeping me in for no reason. What am I learning? So it's not a bad thing to give detentions, it's what you're doing with them. Duty detentions at the high school drives me crazy. Kids get office detentions. Now you get to sit in detention with somebody who had nothing to do with the behavior in the first place. Now you get to sit in the office or after school with a duty person. Makes no sense.